Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am very happy and excited today because in this video I want to share most important things that how I learned English speaking confidently. So if you want to speak like me, then please stay with me and repeat after me. I was born in Lucknow city and it's very big city of India. Lucknow is a very clean city. My parents are from Jammu Kashmir. It's also beautiful city. When I was a child, my home was special. My mother cooked delicious food every day. We often ate pasta because I like it so much. My father name is Ram. He is a big businessman, but he spoke Hindi at home because our mother tongue is Hindi. He wanted me to remember the mother language, but I wanted to speak fluent English because I like it so much. So for this, I always try to speak correctly and confidently English. My mother name is Savita and she wake up early every morning and she made delicious breakfast for us every day. My father read every morning Hindi newspaper. He listened Hindi radio. He often listened Hindi old songs. On weekends we visited my grandfather. He lived in a small apartment in Delhi. Many people lived there. My grandmother told me stories about Akbar and Birbal. She talked about her childhood in the small village. She taught me how to make traditional food at home. I learned to make pasta by hand. My grandfather played old Hindi songs on his guitar. He sang with a deep, warm voice. Sometimes some relatives came to visit. They brought food and wine. They talked in Hindi and laughed a lot. At school, I had South Indian friends. I spoke English with them. I ate pasta and pizza. Do you know about it that Indian pizza is different from another country? I watched English TV show daily. I spoke English when I was at school, but my friend said, never forget where you came from. This was very important to them. In this summer, my family went to the beach in Jammu Kashmir. My parents always said the beaches in Jammu Kashmir are more beautiful. This reason is that I dreamed of seeing these beaches one day when I was 25 years old. We visited Jammu Kashmir for the first time. We stayed for 1 month. We visited my aunts, my uncles, and my cousins. They were so happy to see us. They gave us many gifts. We enjoyed there many times. I saw the village where my mother was born. I saw the school where my father studied. I saw the temple where they got married. I feel happy. I feel good. This is my first beach. where I was so happy. I want to ask everything in English because I already say that I like English language, and in this way I improved my English speaking. So I just want to say that if you want to speak fluent and confident English, then you should practice to speak it every day. Thank you so much for watching this video, my all dear friends.